Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Lori. I hope you're having an absolutely wonderful day, wonderful afternoon, wonderful evening, wherever in this beautiful universe you are. World. Just this is my moon. I was thinking about that and I was like, oh my God, where are they? If you live in the US, just tell me what state you live in. That's okay. All right. These are really quick videos. These are called Amazon hauls. They're makeup hauls that I get because I find once in a while, I don't do a lot. Trust me, you guys, I will never inundate you with a whole bunch of Amazon. What did you buy from Amazon? What did you buy from Amazon? Well, you know, Sassy might, because she loves the little things I get. She thinks I travel, I take off in a plane. She has no idea, none, that this is just my Amazon influencer program. And it allows you guys to get really good sales and find really awesome stuff because you get to see them firsthand from someone who's using them, likes them, reviews them, and wants to share that and pass that information on to you. So my Amazon influencer link, if you go to my actual channel page, up in the top right corner, right where the banner is, you'll see Amazon influencer. Click that. There's also a BOXYCHARM sign up. Click those links, takes you straight there. In my description box down below, you will see an Amazon influencer program link. It takes you straight there. There's columns that I put specific items in. People ask, like, what kind of camera do you use? What kind of lighting do you use? Well, there's two different things. I do videos for my channel. You know, I do videos for my channel, but I also have photography as a hobby. Been doing that for years, just like my nails. I'm talking like over 30, 35 years. So ever since I was in high school. Anyway, there's just stuff that I use. It's like, what do you use for this? What does your stuff sit on? Where do you get this? Okay, well, this didn't come from Amazon. These bookshelves were only 35 bucks from Target. Go figure. Okay, let's get on to it. This is a makeup that I get from Amazon. I think I covered everything. So I've had this for a while. Excuse me. I have had this for a while. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it. This is the beautiful dragon. I think it looks like a dragon. Yeah, because he's snorting. See the fire coming out right there? Okay. These are along the lines of the ZC Cosmetics. I got this in a beauty box, a random beauty box that not IPSY, not Boxy, not Glossy Box, not all those other ones that you guys see that are very popular. No, this came in a random strange beauty box about 4 years ago. No, 3 years ago, at least. This is the palette. I'm trying to be very careful because their sanitary protector is like wax paper, but it's printed. It does have, watch, this is the protector. Look at how cute this is. And I couldn't tell you because of the way the language is written. I don't know if it goes like this. I don't know if that's the top. I can't remember when I took it out. I don't know if it goes like this because I do know that in this country, some of them read from right to left and some of them write from top to bottom. So I don't know what this is. These are shadows you don't even want to put a brush on them, but I have and I will. Look at these, you guys. Look at the stamp. Look at this. This is a highlighter. This is a highlighter. These are shadows. That's crazy, right? Hopefully I had it up there right. That's crazy, right? This is shadow. This takes shadows to a whole new level. That's all I gotta say. It reminds me of the British Museum by ZC. There's one. What's the name? I have no idea. Everything is written in... Like I said, I've had that one. I just got this one. I found this one under the ZC. And I don't know if it's the same company, but they do resemble the packaging and the writing on the back, as well as some of the information that's on there that I can make out. It's coming from the same company. I mean, you could look at it when you order it on Amazon. And it is in my link. I did update everything, so you can find these. Are they expensive? That's why I have a link, because it gets you a better price. Look at how cute. I showed you this, right? In the front, okay? It's like a little box envelope. Here it is. I really want you to see the detail. I mean, check out this. This is like a highlighter. This is a highlighter. And then these right here, these three, and these three over here, those are the, and I'll bring a close-up in when I edit. This is crazy cranberry red. It's like a brand, I mean, it is crazy red. And they always do that. That is the one thing I will say with regards to the culture. And red is a huge color. And I just think it's like maybe from flowers or something, because you always see them with those very, very red lipsticks on. And I mean, this is beautiful. These are gorgeous. I'll fix that in a minute. Yes, yes, yes. I wanted to share these with you because I did sign up for the ZC Beauty Box subscription. And for the month of February, they did give us this one. This one is the Alice Adventures in Wonderland. This is from that collection from the British Museum. And I still don't know what she is saying. I could have sworn it had, well, they're all Dreamland eyeshadows. They're all from that collection from the British Museum. You know, what do you call it? Oh my God. Collabed with ZC. This one is the number 2. Let's see what this one is. I don't know. Anyway, check out there's the Cheshire Cat. He's cute. And yes, they all, see the glitter in there, in the hollow area. They're heavy palettes, heavy, heavy, heavy top. I'm going to leave the cover on. It does have a full mirror. They all come with the dual-headed brush. Very nice. Oh yeah, nice blending brush. That's like a pack when you're packing. Check out this palette, you guys. Look at this right here. And yes, on the bottom, these 4, it does have the cards, you know, the suit, the diamond, the hearts, the club, and the spade. So those are all imprinted in the bottom. And then you will always get a very, very chunky flaked glitter that you need that special glue to put them on. And that's this one right here. Which does shift colors. Yes, it does. That's got all kinds of stars and stuff like that in it. Check this one out too, though. I know you guys are going, go ahead, stick your fingers in it. You know, as long as I've had it, and I haven't done it yet, when I do a look, because I'm not just collecting these palettes, I have made a decision. I talked to myself, which is where my little alter egos came from. But I told myself I'm not going to own a bunch of palettes and let them just sit on a shelf and do nothing. They look pretty because the packaging looks pretty. But get into the darn things, Lori, once in a while. Play with them. Have a ball. Do a video. Let people see that they actually are functionable. See the little glitter in there moving? It just as I was talking to you guys. Look at this. You know what I mean? Just use the palettes. Play with them. Like my IPSY. I took all the stuff out of it and I put it down here so I can get to it. My wine, you know, the ones from the wine from Glam Light. Oh, come on. Check this guy out. This is red and black. Look at all that glitter and the stars. This is the suit with the clubs, the hearts. You see them all? But they're all red. Off with her head. I think that's what she did, right? It's off with her head. It's real pretty though because it's imprinted right here. This is not just smooth. Let's see, what is this one? It doesn't say anything on this one. This just has her like with the cards. See? Look at this. This right here is a rose. Anyway, this is kind of hard to see unless you're right in front of it. But it's a rose. This right here is the checkerboard. And then again, you have all 4 of the suits from a deck of cards. And then this one here is really orangey tangerine with yellows. And boy, I'll tell you something. It's sticky. They have it packed in there. It's sticky. Look at now, all the little stars are starting to come off. Okay, anyway, I wanted to share that with you guys. I got 2 more, just real quick. This one is the Ride or Die palette. Nothing spectacular. I liked it. I thought it was pretty. Very mirrored. It's got a lot of R imprints that, you know, like that look like this, that same R design. And they're imprinted, they're pressed into like every other shade. Every other shadow. Some gorgeous colors to play with. This one isn't anything, like I said. This one I just got because, you know, you can get Makeup Revolution at a better price from Amazon. And then I got Peach Please. This is so cute. I love the company because I've used them before. It's called Tint Arc Cosmetics. Tint Arc, you know, information will be down there on the bottom. It's just a typical cheap little cardboard. Does have a nice little outer sleeve. It's a side entrance. I love this. Look at the inside. It's Peach Please. Those of you guys from, where is it? The Peach State, the Southern Peaches, Southern Bells, like type of thing. I like the plastic on this one because it's one of the ones that has the lip on it, so it encases. And this is all those colors. It's like having 2 9-pan palettes for cheaper because they're all in one place. But usually when you get the 9-pan palettes, they take the best of the best colors that are combined together, and that's how they, you know, select them for those palettes. The other thing too, I don't know if you guys know this, I learned it from some pretty well-to-do makeup artists. If you ever look at palettes that are themed, the colors go in 3s, and they're designed to go together on your eyes the same way. Now, go look at your eyeshadow palettes and go, oh my God, she's serious. Yes, these 3 right here go together. These 3 right here go together. So any direction that you find them in, that's a combination you can use on your eyes. Hope that helps you guys. That's everything for this eyeshadow haul that came from Amazon. Well, and one of them came from a subscription. But I hope you guys like it. Let me know your thoughts and everything down below, because I am really curious about these, you know, this type of purchase that I do. That it's called board shopping, sort of. I mean, some of it is. Like, this was board shopping. This is because I've had it and I've been looking for these palettes and finally did find another one. And then this obviously was added to my collection over here. So I'm excited and hoping to get the rest of them. Bada bing, bada boom. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget, let me know where you're from as well in the comment section down below. I just like to know where people are from. I want to know where you're watching from. Sometimes, like when I set up my videos and I say, hey, post, release at 6 o'clock in the morning. I know that somewhere in this world, you might be getting ready to have dinner. And it goes, bing, Lady Lori's video posted. I'm like, dear Lord, I haven't even woke up yet. You know what I mean? And you're over there having lunch or dinner somewhere. Anyway, thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate you spending a little bit of time with me. Do me a favor. I know some of you guys forget. Hit that thumbs up button. You know, the one that says like. Yes, yes. Thank you. And if you're not subscribed, ding, 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 ding. Hit that subscribe button. Recommend this video. Share it out. Help support me. Get me to 500. All right, I'm done. Gotta go. You guys take care. And I'll see ya in my next video. Bye.